Welcome back to our Q&A series with alumni. So today's session is going to be a bit different and more knowledgeable, insightful because we have our special guest today, Eva Mathur, who is a people's executive at Origa, I guess, company. So yeah, it's going to be a bit different because we are going. It's specifically related to HR departments, and she is in a HR position. So yeah, let me not talk so much and invite her in and get more insights regarding this.
Hey, hi
Hi
everyone.
Eva.
Hi Ashi. How are you?
Yeah, I am doing good. How are you?
All good, all good. Thank you so much for giving such a great introduction.
And yeah, of course, gladly. Actually, I personally was very excited to connect with you, and we are going to get this session is going to be very wonderful because I guess this is a different kind of session.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's not talk so much and आप अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताइए इंट्रोडक्शन आप कहाँ से पढ़े आपने यहाँ पे कैसे आए कहाँ तक छोटा सा ब्रीफ
Okay, sure, absolutely. So, hi everyone. This is Eva Mathur. Basically, I bring a unique blend of technical acumen and HR expertise to my role as an HR professional. So, basically, I reside from Jodhpur, Rajasthan, and I did my BTech from there only. And yeah, you must also wonder why a technical person into the HR domain. So, we'll talk about that later, basically. So yeah, born and brought up in Jodhpur itself, but currently residing in Jaipur as my company is a total work from office. So yeah, a new city. 2 years back, I came into I came into this city, and now yes, I proudly say that Jaipur. I proudly live in Jaipur, and yeah, I have two homes now, two families to live with. So a different way of living. You also learn very much. I mean, when you go home, you basically are a princess, and when you come here, then you have to work yourself.
yeah,
Yes.
so sweet. आप थोड़ा सा अपने कॉलेज एंड हाउ यू केम टू द पीपल एग्जीक्यूटिव
Yeah.
पोजीशन फ्रॉम
Sure.
कॉलेज
Sure.
कैसे रहा आपका सफर कैसे
Um,
आपने चूज किया थोड़ा
yeah.
बताएंगे
So basically as मतलब जैसे कि सब लोग ही जाते हैं कि like 4 साल complete हो गए, the company started coming in, and even I sat for many companies. Even I sat for Origa IT as a software developer position. So yeah, I got rejected. So I thought that two companies I got rejected. I mean, in one company I got selected, but the company did not show up. Yeah, that was the reason. So then I thought that why don't I just switch my career into a particular thing that wherein my expertise are there, right? So although my academic journey includes BTech like in computer science, like with a noteworthy CGP of 8.2, my professional path led me to discover my true calling in HR. So yeah, one day randomly I just applied into the Origa IT. It was just LinkedIn which helped me. So I saw the post, I applied. The next day, I got my first round of interview call. I got selected. Then the other day, one more interview was there, and she was like that why are you going for, like, if you have such a good SPPA, then why are you going for an HR journey? So I was like that I want to actually go for a new perspective totally. So she said that okay, you are onboarded, and like we are so happy to have you on board. So yeah, that was one thing that led to my professional journey. This was my first company wherein I just applied as an HR and I got selected. So I like, let's go for it. Let's see what happens. I actually am a person who does not think that how what will happen in the future. I just do things. If it does not work, we'll go for something else. So yeah, little bit of my.
oh that was a very sweetly how you explained everything and I appreciate what you are doing actually and of course we got to know more and we'll get to know more and more about you and the about the current position and how to do better in interviews. सो फॉरवर्ड मतलब एक चीज मेरे दिमाग में आई थी कि मतलब आपने ऐसा आपका लाइक कॉलेज के टाइम पे आपके दिमाग में आया कि आपको अपना करियर स्विच करना है फ्रॉम सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर टू एचआर पोजीशन के लिए, या फिर आपका कुछ और तरीका था कि आपने सोचा, किस ऐसा पॉइंट था जहां आपको लगा कि भाई मुझे करियर स्विच करना है? रीजंस क्या थे उसके पीछे, थोड़ा सा बताएंगे?
So, matlab, I do not have any particular reasons. As I mentioned, I do not think twice before I do one thing. If I am going for one thing, like I have thought that yeah, I would do great in this, so I would go. And I am one kind of a person jo matlab is very good with people basically. And I have done multiple fest. I have done many small sessions in college, and even I conducted a whole. If you know about basically MUNs, right? So I've been a huge part of my that has been helped in a huge part, and I've conducted many sessions in MUNs as well. So yes, I have been from my childhood days very people person, connecting to people, listening to stories. So yeah, after a certain point where I was getting multiple rejections from the companies, then I thought, why not switch the company, and why not switch my professional journey and go to something where I can actually show my capabilities, right? Wherein I have to connect with new people, talk to new people, and I think people here also will see that HR profession is just a piece of cake for everybody, but it is not. Ask me.
No.
2 commendable years into that journey, but have my word on it, it is not a piece of cake.
Congratulations, first of all, you have completed 2 years. I just saw that recently after, because शायद कुछ दिन पहले you have completed.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
13 December, yes.
Yeah. So yeah, you want to add something else?
No, none.
Okay. So yeah, so let's talk about this specific HR position, because our Q&A is related to this. So yeah, so if someone want to obviously switch their career, or they specifically want to go with the same people executive HR position career के लिए, तो सबसे पहला आप जब प्लेसमेंट्स होते हैं या इन जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं, तो उनको क्या दिमाग में रखना चाहिए, उनको अपनी प्रिपरेशन कैसे करनी चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, हाउ यू डिड इट?
So for me, the thing was, what actually helped me was that I had done few internships in my college days. So I have been one person who does not want to sit idly, and I can say that Corona helped me in such way that I had gone for many sessions and many internships where I earned as well when I learned as well. So basically, in my first interview, so the person who took my interview, she was very happy that how confidently you are giving the answers. So all the मतलब जो श्रेय इनको जाता है that वो कोरोना ही था, मतलब उसके अंदर I had मतलब मैंने अपने आप को इतना ज़्यादा प्रिपेयर किया, and I also tell you how. So basically I am a person जो books बहुत पढ़ती हैं, right? So you get a lot of knowledge from that. So मेरी जो एक एडवाइस रहेगी whosoever is just going for the campus placements, just have your like जो भी कंपनी आती है, just उसके बारे में have a brief knowledge. Also work on your communication skills. In the current scenario, the most important thing which going to help you is your communication skills. Work on it. Go for English speaking courses, go for newspapers, go for books, go for novels, whatever helps.
Okay.
So, and also last but not the least, if you are a technical person also, like if you want to add for the technical, so my advice would be just have leverage your technical skills as a foundation for adaptability. Like when you go into a new company, you first and foremost thing you need to do is adapt, right? A new culture, new people. So yeah, adapt and then react to things.
Okay. So the things which you told, like ऐसे preparation करनी चाहिए. So does it only limited to the HR position people or everybody? कि सभी को अपने communication या फिर soft skills पर ध्यान चाहिए before entering to a interview? Does it applicable to everybody out there? Because in today's scenario, like I don't know, like some people say like soft skills or hard skills matters, but emphasis on as an HR, I want to know like हो तो क्या soft skill matter करती है क्या? Technical background के लोग जब interview देने जाते हैं तो उनको ये अपने दिमाग में रखना चाहिए, because they first connect with you guys, then they go to a technical.
Right.
So थोड़ा सा
yes. जो मैंने आपको पॉइंट्स बताए, these are applicable to everybody, not only to an HR professional, but they are applicable to every person, being in the technical background as well, being in a non-technical background as well. Your communication is the first and foremost thing, and HR person also sees. Actually, it shows your confidence. How are you going to present yourself? Because before checking your technical skills, you are being tested on how you present yourself and how your confidence is shown to different people, right? So yes, the things which I told about the communication skills, the soft skills, everything is matter to everybody, being it tech or non-tech.
ओके, सो जैसे कि आपने बताया कि इट इज एप्लीकेबल टू एवरीबडी, नॉट इवन नॉट टेक एवरीबडी. Okay, so moving forward, is there any specific certification for particularly for HR? like इस HR के लिए भी certifications होते हैं क्या? उनका resume
Right,
कैसा
perfect.
होता है? Can you just tell
Okay.
a little bit?
Sure. Yes. So, as a fresher, it does not include many things, because basically it just like what all you have done in your technical. If you are from a technical background, I'm not talking about a person who is not from a technical background, but if you are, I think the mandatory skill which is needed is the MBA. I think everybody knows about that. But nowadays, also helped me because I'm from a technical background, and when I was hired, I was hired for a technical recruiter. Now, how does it help? Because I know few things which normal HRs won't know, right? So they won't know about the current like languages which are there, current new things which are going around in the scenario which is going around, right? So it helped me a lot. It was a plus point that I was from a technical background. And when you listen, when you go to basically these when you are asking a particular person about the requirement, when you're hiring a person, it is actually very helpful. Like they use terms which we need to then Google. But I was one person who other HRs used to come and ask me like, what are they talking about? So yeah, so that was the one thing which helped me, that being from a technical background.
Okay. Okay, from the technical background, you just told कि आपको बहुत helpful होता है for the tech recruitments basically. Okay,
Right.
so I guess I asked one more thing कि certificates specifically
Okay,
होते हैं.
certificates. Right. Sorry, I did not.
अरे
I gone to a
कोई
different
नहीं,
path.
अरे नहीं, we can conversation जाए. I want to know everything. कोई
Yeah.
नहीं.
So, like personally, I do not do any certifications because I mean, I think in my case, it wasn't needed. But yeah, there are many certifications out there for you guys. Like if you want to switch a career to a non-tech position, so there are many certifications. Personally, I have done many technical certifications, but when I joined the company, then I had gone for some certifications. Like there was a certification from, I think, Coursera. I had done a few from Google as well, Google Learning as well. So yeah, there are few certifications, and if you actually want to learn, so yeah, you can go for it. Coursera one is actually very good if somebody is looking for.
Okay, got the point. What you told us, I guess certifications are important in this field as well.
Yeah.
What we got to know. So yeah, moving forward, can you tell like how in your college time when you like जब आपका ओकेरा में हुआ था, so before that how you managed your academics as well as your personal preparation time for the position?
Okay, as I already told you, like I was never meant to go like into this domain if I had not got the rejections, right?
Correct.
So right, I actually 2 years were gone into Corona itself, and wherein there were multiple classes from our college itself, like wherein they used to teach us soft skills. Their English used to just get checked, that where are you lacking and everything. So my if you know the TPOs who's there, right? So I was just sitting in an campus placement. One company was coming, and I was just doing, I think, writing some question answers which were given. So my TPO came and he's like, I am sure Eva, तुम है ना, you won't go into the any software developer position. I am sure तुम किसी management में ही जाओगी. मैं बता रहा हूँ तुम 3 स्टेजेस क्लियर कर लेती हो सॉफ्टवेयर, फिर जो फाइनल कोडिंग आता है उसमें मतलब रिजेक्ट हो जाती हो. सो आई एम श्योर यू विल गो इनटू द मैनेजमेंट वन ओनली. सो एज पर माय मतलब मेरी एकेडमिक्स को अगर देखे जाए तो इट वाज जस्ट आई थिंक 8.5 और 8.2 आई थिंक मेरा एसजीपीए था. सो मतलब एंड देयर वर फ्यू सब्जेक्ट्स वेयरइन उसमें तो कोई भी मेरे से आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता. तो ऐसा नहीं है दैट इवन इफ यू आर हैविंग गुड एकेडमिक्स यू कैन स्विच योर करियर एनी टाइम. एंड आई थिंक जो अपकमिंग बैच भी होगा उनका आई थिंक 1 साल तो कोरोना में गया ही होगा, आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, राइट. तो दे नो कि कितना वैल्यूबल होता है वो टाइम सबके लिए. आई थिंक मतलब वो दोनों ही रहा होगा, वैल्यूबल भी रहा होगा एंड दे माइट हैव उनको कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स भी होंगी. बट यही है कि academics go for good, do good in your academics because it will alternatively help you. मतलब being a technical recruiter, I know अभी जो सिनेरियो है आपकी academics अच्छी होना कितना important है. Because recession सबको पता ही होगा, recession चल रहा है and we have actually seen candidates getting rejected due to their academics because their logical was not there.
Okay, got the point. You told us. ये सब चीज़ें जो आपने हमें बताई. So yeah, let's switch to like interview वाला part. Like आपने जब ये जो कंपनी जिसमें आप काम करते हैं उसमें आपने जब आपका इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस पहली बात कितने राउंड्स रहे स्पेसिफिकली फॉर दिस पोजीशन, ठीक है? वेरी क्यूरियस टू नो कि इस स्पेसिफिकली पोजीशन में कितने राउंड्स होते हैं एंड क्या इसमें टेक्निकल राउंड भी हुआ था? फर्स्ट यू टेल मी कितने राउंड हुए थे?
2 rounds.
Okay, 2 rounds only. So there was no technical one.
No.
Related to. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So I'll tell you मतलब क्या process रहता है. You can ask me whatever question you have in your mind.
You can tell everything. The mic is yours.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as I already told you that LinkedIn helped me for this job role, and guys, trust on me, have my word on it. LinkedIn will help you at some point of your career. Most of the people who are getting jobs right now is because of LinkedIn. So have a good network and trust me, I have got my job from LinkedIn. So definitely, positively, 100% it will help you. So talking about my interview process, I applied via a careers website which is there for Auriga IT. I applied just what were my name, basically जो सबके पास form आता है, so that was there. Then the next day only I got a call from my manager, who is currently my manager. So she told me about the job role, what would I be doing, and that time even I did not know what is a recruiter and what are operational skills an HR person does. So I got it, I just read about it, everything. Then I thought that yeah, let's go for recruitment only. So even she asked in which domain should you want to go. First round, it was just a normal conversation. I did not know it was a first round of interview, but it was just a normal conversation. How are you? How your academics are going? About your family? About yourself? This was the first round of interview. Wherein she asked me like, why are you coming to an HR profession if you have such a good SGPA? Then again, I told the same thing that I actually want to pursue my career in this. Then she said that okay, we will schedule a next round of interview for you the next day or the other next day. Yeah. So then that was a little bit tough for me because it was a final round of interview which I had never given. So then there I studied for it. I got to know that in an HR domain you get some scenarios where you are put in a scenario and need to act upon it, right? And talking about your soft skills, whatever you guys mention, no, just mention like I have written my soft skills as a public speaker or a leader, right? So I was asked that in your journey of 22 years, what is that how your leadership skills was like shown to everybody, right? So therein you are put into a position where you need to actually tell about the scenario. So this I got to know before only. So I was a bit prepared mentally. So my advice would be just go through videos which are available online. It would actually help you. Jot down some points and when you actually speak, no, that gives you a confidence.
समझ आया what you are telling and giving the advice. Specifically, I guess your advice is very much needed for the students in this tough situation. So yeah,
Right.
हम अब आते हैं like into the questions which usually students have in their mind. तो
Mhm.
we want your advice and all कि अगर किसी को टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू में जाना है तो first you need to go through HR. What are the 3 or 4 things the individual should keep in mind technically, लाइक जैसे कि अगर आपके सामने दे आर प्रेजेंटिंग, सो व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दे शुड कीप इन माइंड कि भाई हाँ ये चीज प्रिपेयर होनी चाहिए एंड यू विल सिलेक्ट दैट पर्सन इमीडिएटली. ऐसी कौन सी 3 या 4 चीजें?
So you're talking about like the person who is a fresher or who has some experience?
नो, फ्रेशर, फर्स्ट फ्रेशर.
Fresher, right. First of all, their communication skills.
ओके,
Even
फर्स्ट.
if they cannot speak like very fluently, it does not matter. Just talk with confidence, nothing
ओके,
else. First and the foremost thing a person's look into another person, like an HR looks, is the confidence, how they talk and how they present themselves, right?
ओके.
I mean, how are you giving your particularly your like tell me about yourself, right? So ये आपने सबने ही सुना होगा कि tell me about yourself is the most underrated question, but it is not
करेक्ट.
underrated. It is the most difficult
इम्पोर्टेंट.
question a person, and
डिफिकल्ट.
important, yeah, important question a person has to give the answer for. Okay. Secondly, whatever you have done, your mini projects, your projects that you have done in your fourth and the second sem, I'm talking about a BTech person, जिसने भी 2 months की internship Cypher School से ही की हो, भले ही वहाँ पे projects बनाए हो, have the confidence to explain that जो भी आपने किया है ना उस project में, अगर आपने वो प्रोजेक्ट खुद से बनाया होगा ना तो यू वुड बी एबल टू गिव द आंसर वेरी क्विकली एंड वेरी कॉन्फिडेंटली. क्योंकि मोस्टली मैं खुद भी उसी बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, तो आई नो कि आधे लोग नहीं बनाते हैं एंड दे जस्ट कॉपी फ्रॉम अनदर वंस. तो इफ यू हैव मेड ना, एंड इफ इवन इफ नॉट, जस्ट हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस टू आंसर, बिकॉज हमसे तो हम इतना डिग इन नहीं करेंगे. If the technical person asks you and if you're not able to answer, then you will directly get rejected. I'm talking about the campus recruitment because I have been into like 2 campus recruitments right now, like before, so I know what a technical recruiter, even technical person asks, right?
Okay.
So mention your internships, mention your session that you have taken, or everything very like in a polite or in a very good manner, so the HR person can understand it and the technical person can answer, like question you for that.
Okay.
Yeah, moreover these things only are seen and rest is all dependent upon their. So particularly if I talk about Auriga IT, we do not see that if the person has a back in their like their
उनके
yeah,
academic
most
series
of the
में.
companies does. So please people clear your backs because one thing जो आपको रोक सकती है वो आपकी back है. मैंने देखा है my friends, they were not able to sit in the like campus recruitments and it is, मतलब आपको job बहुत आसानी से मिल जाएगी, that is not an issue, but आपको time बहुत लगेगा and वो ही time save करने के लिए you should clear your backs. लाओ, कोई problem नहीं है, मेरी भी थी, but उसको clear कर लो जितना जल्दी हो सके.
ओके, गॉट द पॉइंट यू आर टेलिंग. लाइक ये चीजें आपको ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए, यू नो, इफ यू आर गिविंग अ इंटरव्यू, एचआर जब स्क्रीनिंग करते हैं. सो या आई हैव वन मोर क्वेश्चन कि अब आप, आई जस्ट वांट टू नो कि आप ही जो है रिज्यूम वगैरह जो रहते हैं शॉर्टलिस्ट करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स का. सो आप ऐसे कौन से स्टूडेंट्स या फिर फ्रेशर्स का, तो आप ऐसे कौन से पॉइंट्स हैं जो नोट करते हैं कि भाई दिस रिज्यूम इज गुड, the way they explained is good, and ऐसे कौन से रेज्यूमे को आप रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं कि भाई दिस इज नॉट डन, आई विल नॉट हायर दैट. तो ऐसा कुछ आपका होता है तो अगर आप बताएंगे तो इट विल क्लेरिफाई टू स्टूडेंट्स कि कैसा रेज्यूम बनाना चाहिए, किस वे से अप्रोच करना चाहिए कि यू विल गेट अ एंट्री कि आपको एचआर को.
So पहले तो basically whenever you are applying as a fresher ना, then it is the only the तभी आपको ये प्रॉब्लम फेस होगी. बट इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ कैंपस रिक्रूटमेंट, ऑटोमेटिकली योर रेज्यूमे गेट्स शॉर्टलिस्टेड बाय द एग्जाम दैट यू गिव, राइट? तो वहां पे द एचआर डज नॉट प्ले द लाइक दिस रोल ऑफ चेकिंग द रेज्यूमे. बट if you're applying from a careers or like whatever the other companies call as their form which is present on their website, तो वहाँ पे you see that a particular resume is there, right? And it's of a fresher. So basically 4 साल में they must have done few projects, right? तो 1 या 2 projects होते हैं. Never ever just over explain yourself.
Okay.
Just with the just whatever you have done, keep it crisp, keep it short as much as you can, right? Never over explain yourself. Just explain things which are just relevant, right? You
Hmm.
have done a particular project, it's good, but just do not write everything from the starting that I saw this project. But I have seen people doing it, and like their resumes get reject very easily. So I've gone to MBA colleges as well, not MBA. I have done BBA colleges as well for different roles, and I have seen people who has done MBA such resumes. They were like, I mean, how to shortlist them? Because a over explainer who's there, no, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं बैक ऑफ द माइंड में आता है कि यार ये ओवर स्मार्ट भी होगा.
Hmm.
मतलब ये मेंटालिटी आई एम टेलिंग यू जो रहती है एचआरस की, कि अगर ये ओवर एक्सप्लेनर है, ओवर शेयरर है, तो थोड़ा सा ओवर स्मार्ट भी होगा, बिकॉज द लैंग्वेज दे हैव रिटन, है ना.
Okay.
कीप योर रिज्यूमे वेरी शॉर्ट, वेरी क्रिस्प. डू नॉट एड like things like, please do not add your photograph to your resume. It does
Correct.
not look good.
Correct. This is a point to
Just
be noted.
yeah, point to be noted. Have a crisp and a clean objective, whatever your objective is. As a fresher, your objective should be going to a organization wherein I can prove my abilities and my technical skills, whatever your domain or your language is. Just a 2 line, short and crisp objective. Right? Then comes down to your languages, then comes down to your projects, and that's it. Do not add anything else.
Okay.
Normal name, your email ID. Please add your mobile number and your email ID, because how will the HR person will connect to you if you do not have it, right? Your resume would go waste if you do not have your contact details. And also add a number who is reachable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I guess everybody who is watching, they would have noted कि भाई ये सब चीजें resume में होनी चाहिए, because we are have a conversation with Eva and she is a HR.
Yes.
Yeah. So coming to another set of questions, कि specifically I want to know what you guys do in the sense in a company. It's a very curious question. Specifically, क्या चीजें होती हैं? If you're
Hmm.
working as a HR in a company, what are the roles which you play in like in a
Yeah.
company?
So talking about my personal, like what I have been doing, and what all my teammates as well do. So people, I think, just look as an HR like वो तो सिर्फ रंगोली बनाते होंगे, right? And I am sure every person who is watching now have this have this in the mind. वो तो क्या ही, वो
Myth.
तो सिर्फ रंगोली बनाते होंगे, right? So the typical question, typical answer, right? But रंगोली मैंने तो आज तक नहीं बनाई. 2 years मैंने आज तक नहीं बनाई. So yeah. So yeah. Like when I started off, as I was hired as a technical recruiter, first of all, I was given a brief introduction about all the platforms where you get resumes from. Right, wherein I have to look into like कहाँ से वो particular resume for the particular job मुझे मिल रहा है, and how to basically screen them, right? And there is a very professional way a person or an HR person talks to a particular candidate. So उसकी भी हमारी एक प्रॉपर मतलब स्क्रीनिंग होती है. हाउ शुड आई टॉक, मेरा क्या स्पीकिंग मतलब जो बोलने का तरीका होना चाहिए, व्हाट शुड माय लैंग्वेज शुड बी, हाउ माय कॉन्फिडेंस शुड बी फॉर द एचआर पर्सन, एंड कैसे वो एक कॉन्वर्सेशन कैरी फॉरवर्ड होता है. तो इनिशियली फॉर द फ्यू मंथ्स आई वाज बीइंग जस्ट टॉट दिस, एंड देन व्हेन आई like in 6 or 7 months I was just a pro, because I love to talk to new people. And initially I was very shy in my company, but then people were like, yes, she is the like मतलब jolly nature जो है मेरा famous in my company. And I was on the like off for 2 weeks, and people are like कि, when are you coming back, please come back to the office soon. So इट्स नॉट कि आप जाके सिर्फ उनसे हाय हेलो करते हो, यू कनेक्ट विद देम, राइट? नेटवर्क बनाते हो अपना. आप जितना इम्पोर्टेंट आपका नेटवर्क बिल्डिंग इज ऑन लिंक्डइन और इज ऑन naukri.com. आई थिंक वहाँ तो कोई नेटवर्क नहीं होता है, बट लिंक्डइन, गाइज, प्लीज मेक अ गुड नेटवर्क ऑन योर लिंक्डइन. ट्राई टू कनेक्ट एज मच एज यू कैन विद अदर रिक्रूटर्स टू द कंपनीज. मतलब आपको एक बैकग्राउंड अगर मिल जाएगा ना, तो यू वुड बी एक्सेल इन योर इंटरव्यूज. कमिंग बैक, व्हाट डज एन एचआर डू? Yeah, so firstly I was done for just recruitment part, but then when people saw that, my managers saw that, yeah, she's now good to go with other things as well, I had so many new things in my plate. Insurance of a particular person in their company, onboarding a new person. It is a very difficult task, and I had 1 month to learn that, and now I'm a decent in a onboarding thing. So yeah, onboarding is one of the thing. Insurance is one of the thing. You need to take care of all the exits which are there, terminations which are there. If a person is resigning, if a person is, if we have to have a new policy which has to be made. A different set of people are there which we need to connect for a particular policy, right? So yeah, these are few things which we do. There are many more. Like recently, I would be starting doing soft skills training for our intern batch, which we call them.
Okay.
So you should know that if you are coming to a company and you have decent communication skills, your company will always take care because they know that you will be just going to the company or the client side, right? So they will take care of that as well. So don't worry that no no मुझे तो English आती ही नहीं है मेरा क्या होगा. Your company will take care of it. They have a particular L&D team which is the learning and the development. They have a team. They will take care of it, and the HR particularly will take care of it that you are excelling in your client interviews. So yeah, personally I do that. I actually also handling a few things on my own as well, like insurance which is there, few decisions which I have to make on my own, and few things like I always had a dream that I'm sitting at a particular place, and a few people are coming in to meet me. Like I want to meet the person. So recently, I've been giving these chances as well. That people are coming over and they're asking where is Eva ma'am. So there are few things which we do, which are very crucial for the company's growth. And yeah, so these are the few things which I've told you. There are many things more.
ओके, आई गेस थोड़ा सा आइडिया सबको लग गया होगा कि स्पेसिफिकली व्हाट एचआर डू. इवन आई थिंक सो कि मेरे हिसाब से मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दिमाग में कि मोस्टली सब जब डिस्कस करते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है यार एचआर व्हाट एचआर डू, क्योंकि जितने भी हम सोशल मीडिया वगैरह में देखते हैं देयर इज ऑलरेडी दीज थिंग्स व्हाट
मीम्स
यू
एंड मीम्स, राइट. मतलब हमारे कंपनीज में भी होता है.
आपका इको हो रहा है मतलब मेरी वॉइस का. आपने मतलब कुछ कहीं और से भी कनेक्ट किया है क्या?
नहीं, मैं आई
ओके आपके
जस्ट
हाँ हाँ.
बेटर.
आपकी वॉइस एक्चुअली थोड़ी सी दब गई थी तो इसलिए मैं बोल रही थी.
अच्छा, इज इट ओके नाउ?
हाँ नाउ नाउ इट्स फाइन, इट्स फाइन. सो वेयर वाज आई? हाँ, पीपल वुड नो नाउ कि भाई ये सब चीजें जो है जो स्पेसिफिकली एचआर डू. सो या, कमिंग टू आर फ्यू मोर कन्वर्सेशन जो मुझे आपसे करने हैं कि देर आर लॉट ऑफ कन्फ्यूजन नाउअडेज कि कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाके वेयर टू अप्लाई जिससे आपका रिज्यूम सिलेक्ट हो जाए. इफ ओके, इफ अ पर्सन हैज अ गुड रिज्यूम, इफ यू विल सिलेक्ट ऑल्सो, लेकिन वेयर टू गो. तो आपके स्पेसिफिकली कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म्स है क्या, जैसे लिंक्डइन आपने बताया वेरी, जहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते. उसके अलावा
वेरी
ऐसे कौन से वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, तो ऐसे कौन से अदर प्लेटफॉर्म्स है जिसमें अ पर्सन कैन गो एंड अप्लाई एंड दे कैन हैव अ चांस टू बी हायर्ड. ऐसे कुछ
ओके.
प्लेटफॉर्म्स हो तो आप थोड़ा डिस्कस कर सकते हैं.
Right. Okay. So as I already told you, LinkedIn, it would help you, like extremely help you to get your job, because wherein you are able to just explain yourself through a particular profile, right? आपका not only your professional journey but also your personal journey is on LinkedIn. तो जैसे when you go and look at my LinkedIn, my like my professional as well as my little bit of personal is mentioned, right? And this is one of the most important basically portal which you, everybody should use. And the second one you could go for is Naukri.com. Very reliable, wherein your resumes get shortlisted. Because I'll also tell you, basically they use skills. So one more tip on your resume building: just use like particular skills. For some people who are just like for the people who are freshers, no, go for things which you know, like for particular language. You are a Python developer, you want to like go for a Python developer, so mention skills like Python, mention skills like Django, which is the framework they use. Mention skills also your like skills like communication skills. These are the skills that HR person just write on the skills bar. They search and your resume would show up,
Okay.
right? So mention the skills very, as I keep it crisp, keep it clean. So एक ग्लैंस में आपका रिज्यूमे ना मतलब दिखे कि राइट, अच्छा इनको तो ये सब कुछ चीजें आती हैं जो हमें चाहिए. तो दिस इज द वन थिंग दैट इसको लेकर वो रेज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्ट हो जाता है. सो या, कमिंग बैक, लिंक्डइन, naukri.com, these both are for technical and non-technical both. Particularly for just non-tech background, if anybody wants to go, we have indeed.com.
Okay. So it's for non-tech one.
Yeah,
Non-tech.
Right. For jobs like you can go for HR, you can go for marketing, you can go for
Management.
yeah, management, operations. Indeed.com will help you. Then we have hirist.com, one of the most like used app for the particular HR जो है HRs उनके लिए hirist use होता है. There's one more app, InstaHire, right? ये अभी नया है इन द मार्केट, तो इतना आपको सुनने में नहीं आएगा, बट इट इज वेरी गुड ऐप. आई मीन फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट देयर जर्नी, फ्रेशर्स के लिए इट इज अ वेरी वेरी गुड ऐप. सो naukri.com पे एंड अपना इंस्टा हायर प्लीज मेक, मतलब उस पे आप अपना बनाओ. या बोथ फॉर टेक्निकल एंड नॉन टेक्निकल. इस पे जाके तो यू शुड हैव अ प्रोफाइल कि मतलब आपको बहुत इंस्टेंट जॉब्स मिलती हैं. One more is there called Monster Jobs. इस पे I have my profile on it, but it does not work that much. So जो चार major which we use as an HR and as a normal human being, तो वो चार ये platforms है. आपको I'm guaranteeing you कि आपको उस पे तो job मिल ही जाएंगी. And नहीं तो we have campus recruitment as well.
Okay, this is for off-campus one, right? Off-campus के लिए.
Right. On campus, so you will get the job very easily. It depends upon you how you just.
Okay. जैसे कि आपने अभी स्किल्स की बात की, so few freshers nowadays what they do कि कभी-कभी कि like resume they mention so many skills, जावा भी कर दिया, पाइथन भी कर दिया, वेब डेवलपमेंट के भी कर दिया, जावा बोलते हैं, जावास्क्रिप्ट, HTML, CSS. तो एक चीज पूछ रही थी कि स्पेसिफिकली आपको वही लैंग्वेज मेंशन करना चाहिए अपने स्किल सेक्शन में जो आपको आती है, या फिर सभी कर देनी चाहिए? तो आप इसको किस तरीके से लेते हैं अगर आप किसी प्रोफाइल को शॉर्टलिस्ट करते हैं? इफ अ पर्सन हैव मेंशन सो मेनी लैंग्वेजेस, will you recruit that person or the person who has mentioned only few language which they know? So what is the difference and how will you recruit?
Yeah, so पहले ना, सबसे पहले for that जो भी like whosoever is going for the like placements, आप ना choose one language for you. I mean, you cannot be good in Java and also good in Python, right? Because I know both of the skills are backend only, but both of the languages you cannot excel. अब there are few languages like PHP जो मतलब इतनी known अब नहीं रह गई है, but आप you can move from PHP to a particular another language, but you cannot move from Python to Java because उसमें जो frameworks होते हैं वो ही बहुत different हो जाते हैं. PHP के if you have good logics, basically तो अपने logics पे काम करो. It does not depend on the language, but just work on your logics. जो अभी सिनेरियो चल रहा है for experienced people, those who are getting selected, no, the major thing is which is there is their logics. If they're excelling in their logic, we do not see the whatever the person is asking for. I'm talking about the package, right? If they're excelling, good logics, excellent logics, then they are selected. So we're talking about your question that if we should go for multiple languages, I mean, you cannot excel in both of the things, right? Either you can be a Python developer, either you can be a Java developer. But then if you are also writing Python, Java, JavaScript, everything, so try कि जब आपसे वो question किया जाए ना, आप बहुत confidently जवाब दें. Because when I was there in the 4 years of my journey, I was thinking that like Python is one language which is very easy. Not easy, I'm sure, but it is very good for the people who are as freshers, and I think most of the people would agree to this because Java uses many like codes also and everything. So personally, I have mentioned everything which I knew in Python, right? So जो दो options आपने मुझे दिए थे ना, दोनों ही there are chances कि first वाला option भी कोई बंदा जो है वो select हो जाए, but mostly second वाला ही होगा because वो
particularly एक language पे focused.
हाँ, मतलब you गो फॉर वन लैंग्वेज, एक्सेल इन इट, मतलब उसको आप उसका लॉजिक बहुत इतना अच्छा बिल्ड कर लो कि आप अगर 3 साल भी उस पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज पे काम किए एंड देन यू थिंक यार नहीं जावा अभी बूम पर है एंड मुझे जावा सीखनी चाहिए, आपको स्विच करने में ना मतलब बिल्कुल भी मुश्किल नहीं होगी। मोस्टली लोग क्या करते हैं, जावा से स्विच करते हैं पाइथन में, है ना। तो मेरा ये रहेगा, अगर आपको पाइथन समझ में आ रही है तो उसको एक्सेल कर लो, वर्क इन इट। नहीं समझ में आए, स्विच इट। आई मीन for the people who are in the technical background, switch karna is not that difficult. Once you enter the industry, switch karna is not that difficult. I'm talking about the language, not the company.
ओके ओके, समझ आया। जैसे कि आप चीज़ें बता रहे थे कि द पर्सन शुड पर्टिकुलरली फोकस जो उनको आता है उस हिसाब से अप्लाई करें एंड गो विद दैट लैंग्वेज, तो देयर आर चांसेस टू गेट शॉर्टलिस्टेड, बट इट डिपेंड्स
Right.
ऑन यू गाइस, जो रिक्वायरमेंट है
Depends.
कंपनी के हिसाब
Yeah.
से।
Depends on the company mostly.
हाँ हाँ, वही कंपनी पे डिपेंड करता है। सो आई हैव वन मोर क्यूरियस क्वेश्चन कि आप लोग जब यू गाइस टेक एचआर इंटरव्यू, तो आपके कुछ ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं, जैसे कि व्हाई शुड वी हायर यू, और क्या पता था 5 साल के बाद अपने आप को आप कहाँ देखते हैं। सो आर दीज ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस और यू वांट टू नो द माइंडसेट ऑफ द पर्सन? आप मतलब
So, I mean,
क्यों?
and I don't know how many guys have just been into the campus replacement or just have started applying, but these are not the questions a person asks. It's just mentioned in the Google. I personally do not ask this question. That why should we? What do you? I think 5 साल बाद खुद को कहाँ
खुद को
देखते
कहाँ
हैं?
देखते हो, या फिर व्हाई शुड वी हायर यू?
These types of questions which I mentioned, no, ये आपका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स बढ़ाने के लिए होता है। नो HR आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन। आई मीन आपको हर जगह यही शो करेगा एंड यू शुड प्रिपेयर फॉर इट। डू नॉट स्किप इट, बट डू नॉट थिंक यार ये अगर ये जवाब नहीं दिया तो हमें तो हायर नहीं करेंगे। हायरिंग हमेशा आपके कॉन्फिडेंस एंड आपके टेक्निकल एबिलिटी पे होगी। ये नहीं होगा कि अगर आपने इसका जवाब नहीं दिया कि आप 5 साल बाद खुद को कहाँ देखते हैं, कि इस पे बेस्ड होता है। तो वो आप प्लीज क्लियर करें अपने दिमाग से कि ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन आपसे नहीं पूछा जाता है। सो आपका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या था? व्हाई शुड वी हायर यू? यस, तो दिस इज द बेसिक क्वेश्चन एवरी पर्सन शुड नो, राइट? आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एन इंटरव्यू, तो आपको पता होगा ना कि आप दूसरी कंपनी में क्यों अप्लाई कर रहे हैं। तो ये इट इज नॉट अ ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन, इट इज अ क्वेश्चन वेयर इन यू एक्चुअली टेल द पर्सन, HR रिक्रूटर, कि भाई आपको क्यों जॉब चेंज करनी है, राइट? तो इट्स नॉट अ ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन, इट इज अ क्वेश्चन जिसपे देयर आर चांसेस कि उस क्वेश्चन को लेके आप शॉर्टलिस्ट हो जाओ। So do not consider it as a tricky question. And the second one, nobody asks. These days, the second question, nobody asks.
Okay, so what are the questions which you guys really ask? Common questions जो पूछे जाते हैं during a HR interview.
So I'll tell you for the freshers, no, like basically normal hi, hello तो होता ही है. Then ice breaking questions only. कहाँ से हैं आप, right? And BTech आपने कहाँ से करी है? So आप तभी पूछ रहे हैं, राइट? जब कोई बंदा हमारे पास आता है तब का ही क्वेश्चन है, राइट?
नहीं, आफ्टर सम कंपनीज व्हाट हैपेंस कि टेक्निकल राउंड के बाद HR राउंड होता है, तो लास्ट राउंड में यूजुअली स्टूडेंट्स जब एंटर करते हैं तो कभी कभी कुछ स्टूडेंट्स सिलेक्ट नहीं हो पाते, दे क्लियर आल्सो टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू, दे लैग इन द HR के कारण रिजेक्ट हो जाते हैं। तो ऐसे कौन से आइस ब्रेकिंग, जैसे आपने बोला, क्वेश्चंस हैं जो बच्चों को दिमाग में ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि भाई ये क्वेश्चन तो पूछे जाएंगे, इनको प्रिपेयर करके जाना चाहिए। वो आर नॉट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मोस्टली आउटस्पोकन, इतना ज्यादा नहीं बोल पाते। वैसे कौन से कॉमन क्वेश्चंस जो आप पूछते हो ड्यूरिंग योर लास्ट इंटरव्यू राउंड, दैट इज द HR राउंड?
सो ये तो रहता ही है, बेसिकली आपके बारे में तो जानते ही हैं। तो जो आपका इंट्रोडक्शन होता है ना, उसके अंदर प्लीज कीप नोट ऑफ योर ग्रामेटिकल थिंग्स, राइट? मतलब बेसिक तो आपको कम्युनिकेशन स्किल स्ट्रांग रखनी ही पड़ेगी। मतलब हमने ये नहीं बोल रहे आप अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में हमसे बात करें, राइट? Just go for basic English that you should speak in, and mention your college, mention your SGPA if you have, mention where are you from, and only if the HR person asks you about your family, then give the introduction of the family. Apart from this, do not mention your family in your tell me about yourself question. Secondly, we go for like how was the interview process, राइट? इससे हमें पता चलता है कि जो इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस रहा है उसमें क्या हमें चेंजेस करने हैं एंड कैसे उस बंदे ने सीरियसली लिया है उस इंटरव्यू को, राइट? तो दोनों चीजें जहाँ पे पता चलती है। लास्ट में और तो बस यही, आई मीन इससे ज्यादा कोई
एक और रहता है
क्वेश्चन।
ना कि कभी कभी व्हाट आर द योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस, कितना पैकेज, तो व्हाई यू आस्क
या
दोस क्वेश्चंस, आई जस्ट वांट टू नो। थोड़ा सा ऐसे भी
तो
बताएंगे तो।
आई मीन फ्रेशर्स में तो देयर हैज टू बी सम एक्सपेक्टेशन यू सेट टू स्टार्ट अ जर्नी। आई मीन एक्सपीरियंस में तो वो पूछेंगे बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली यू आर स्विचिंग फ्रॉम अ कंपनी, नो। फ्रेशर्स में वी वांट टू नो कि भाई आप क्या माइंडसेट लेके आ रहे हैं, because few of the people who they already start like their journey in their 4 years. Like I had few friends जो मतलब third या fourth semester से ही they have started earning, they have started doing internships, right? तो उनको पता रहता है, और अगर वो फिर अप्लाई करते हैं into a company, they have some set of expectations. तो वो expectations वाला question उस तरफ से होता है. बाकी if you want to know a particular answer, तो it is कि it depends upon my abilities and how my interview goes. That's all.
ओके, आई गेस ये सारे जो नॉर्मल क्वेश्चंस जो सबके दिमाग में आते हैं कि कैसे आंसर करना चाहिए, आई गेस स्टूडेंट्स एंड ऑडियंस को अब क्लियर हो रहा होगा। उसके बाद आपने बीच में लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल को बहुत लिंक्डइन को बहुत एम्फोसाइज किया था, राइट? तो उसमें अकॉर्डिंग टू यू लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल कैसी होनी चाहिए? ठीक है, इफ यू आर, एंड आई वांट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि रेज्यूमे में लिंक्डइन का प्रोफाइल मेंशन होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है? सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज लाइक कैसी होनी चाहिए जिससे आप रिक्रूट करेंगे, लाइक यू विल बी लाइक हाँ सही है, आई शुड रिक्रूट दैट पर्सन। टू क्वेश्चन
No,
होते
no.
हैं, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर।
हाँ, first question, LinkedIn profile is for just for the experienced people.
ओके,
अगर आप फ्रेशर हैं, बिकॉज आपके जो मतलब लिंक्डइन होगा ना, वो ऑटोमेटिकली जो एचआर रिक्रूटर है वो देख ही लेगा आफ्टर यू गेट रिक्रूटेड और आप सिलेक्ट हो जाते हो तो, राइट? क्योंकि आपकी वो पोस्टिंग्स और सब कुछ रहता है, तो वो देख ही लेंगे. इफ यू आर एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड पर्सन, देन तो यू शुड हैव इट, बिकॉज अ पर्सन ऑटोमेटिकली सीज कि भाई अच्छा उन्होंने है ना, बिकॉज वहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस मेंशन रहता है कि पर्टिकुलर इस कंपनी में आपने इतना इतना काम किया है, एंड समटाइम्स दे मैच इट विद योर रेज्यूमे एज वेल. So for fresher, it is not mandatory. If you are mentioning it also, it is not a harm, right? But please photo मत लगाना, उसके अलावा everything works.
नहीं, नॉट इन रेज्यूम, आई वाज आस्किंग अबाउट लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल, लिंक्डइन की प्रोफाइल।
हाँ, मतलब लिंक्डइन आपने पूछा ना, रेज्यूमे में होना चाहिए लिंक
अच्छा,
वगैरह.
हाँ, तो फ्रेशर शुड नॉट मेंशन द
नो,
लिंक्डइन।
मतलब इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी. आपको करना है तो कर दो, बिकॉज आपके पास कोई इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है ना जो एक एचआर जाके देखे. आप नई जर्नी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, तो नो एचआर वुड गो एंड जस्ट सी योर रेज्यूमे, आई मीन योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल.
Okay. If like I want to know if the fresher who is joining, they have done few internships in a very good company, उस टाइम पे should they mention, or that time also it's like ठीक है mention करना ओके नहीं करना?
मेंशन इन योर रेज्यूमे,
Resume.
बिकॉज उस टाइम पे आपका रिज्यूमे ज्यादा मैटर करता है. इफ यू आर अ फ्रेशर, डज नॉट मैटर्स. इफ कीप posting on your LinkedIn, make a strong connectivity, but please mention everything first in your resume if you are a fresher. मतलब क्या होता है कि experienced, मैं दोनों का ही बता रही हूँ, मतलब experienced के लिए ना we often go to the LinkedIn profiles, but for the freshers the resume matters. And मतलब 3-4 पेज का resume मत बनाना, go for 1 maximum 2 pages. Yeah.
Okay,
मतलब
go for
your second question, I think, was how your LinkedIn should
profile.
look like. Right. Good professional photo. LinkedIn is not Instagram, guys. You should not post anything or everything on your on your LinkedIn. Okay. Keep your objective. वहाँ पे भी एक objective होता है जहाँ पे आपको अपने goals I think बताने पड़ते हैं, या फिर I think आपके बारे में बताना पड़ता है. Keep it very short. What your objective is. ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड रहे हमेशा, राइट? उसको आप चैट जीपीटी से पूछ के लिख लो, बट उसको बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश में लिखो, बिकॉज वो फर्स्ट ग्लैंस में आता है, ठीक है? तो बेसिकली उसको आप थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हैं. सेकेंडली, इंटर्नशिप्स. आप फ्रेशर हैं, आपने इंटर्नशिप्स की होगी, आपने प्रोजेक्ट्स किए होंगे, आपने कहीं ना कहीं हेल्प की होगी आपके कॉलेज में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैड डन अ फ्यू फेस्ट, जो 2 फेस्ट हुए थे हमारे कॉलेज में. आई वॉज अ वॉलंटियर. मेंशन इन ऑन योर लिंक्डइन, जो सॉफ्ट स्किल्स वाला पार्ट होता है. आपने सर्टिफिकेशंस किए होंगे, put your certifications on your LinkedIn. उससे आपकी LinkedIn का reach बढ़ता है, साथ ही साथ आपकी quality बढ़ती है LinkedIn की. So बीच में ऐसा time आया था wherein people, when I was in college, people, because I was a very outspoken person and I was used to do many fest as well. तो मतलब हमारी टीचर्स बोलती थी कि जस्ट गो एंड लुक एट ईवाज लिंक्डइन एंड और जस्ट गो एंड लुक एट ईवाज रेज्यूमे. तो वैसा एक मतलब इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग आप वो बनाओ कि मैं आपको देखे तो लाइक वेरी गुड, आई मीन एक्सेप्शनल निकले मुंह से. तो वैसी एक स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोफाइल क्रिएट करने की एंड बी एक्टिव. आई मीन आप इतना अगर इंस्टाग्राम पे रह सकते हो तो लिंक्डइन पे भी रहो. पोस्ट मत करो खुद को, बट बी एक्टिव. थोड़ा सा डिमोटिवेट भी होता है लिंक्डइन से, बट वो मोटिवेशन भी आती है कि अगर ये कर सकते हैं तो हम क्यों नहीं. वो है.
जैसे कि आपने समझाया कि हाउ लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल शुड लुक लाइक इफ द एचआर लुक्स इनटू इट, एचआर के पर्सपेक्टिव से. सो गाइस, यू शुड रियली ऑप्टिमाइज योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल. इट मैटर्स. If you have done internships and you have any other projects with you, जैसे कि मैंने mention किया जो points you should keep in your mind if you are observing the session. So I guess from my end questions are almost end, but I just wanted to ask कि अभी आपका experience, everything, how is in company now? How you are doing? I know you have अभी आपको 2 साल हो गए, तो how is the atmosphere and how are you doing?
So my journey has been full of ups and downs. I mean, मतलब किसी भी मतलब I'm not talking about any particular person, but सबकी journeys में मतलब at least ups and downs होते हैं. But working at Orga IT has been a journey of, yes, I already told you, ups and downs, many ups and downs. I learned, I made mistakes, but never stopped trying. I mean, वो एक आप में अगर ज़ील हो गई ना कि यार मुझे सीखना है, मुझे करना है, तो वो
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रही बा.
better.
better.
Yeah. So guys, never stop trying. Okay. Like contrary to the misconception that HR is a very straightforward role, basically I discovered that it involves constant learning and adaptability. When you learn about that particular company, no, and when you adapt that company, automatically everything you will dwell into that like aura or the whatever atmosphere which is there in the company. Okay. And as a technical HR recruiter, as I already mentioned, I had the privilege of being deeply connected to the industry. And even now I am very much because I keep learning about new things, new sessions, I read books, so I know what is actually going around, right? So keep learning, guys. I mean, do not stop your learning. I mean, personally also, I've been doing few courses, I've been doing like few things for my personal growth. Okay. So never stop learning. And moreover, was very fortunate, and I should say touchwood, I'm very fortunate to have such managers who have helped me not only professionally but personally as well. So I have a team of 5, and I have, I think, one manager and one super manager. So touchwood, they have been really well with me. मतलब प्रोफेशनली हो चाहे पर्सनली हो, मतलब उन्होंने हर जगह हेल्प की है. एंड दिस एक्सपीरियंस बेसिकली reaffirmed my belief that as an HR, even I am growing and even I am learning. So एम्पैथी होनी चाहिए, मतलब आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई प्रोफेशन. एम्पैथी होनी चाहिए एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स तो होनी ही चाहिए. अगर वो है आप में तो आपका जर्नी वुड बी अमेजिंग. तो अभी के लिए माई जर्नी हैज़ बिन कमेंडेबल. I also won star of the award as well once. And जो हमारा एक annual fest होता है उसमें even I got award. So yeah, awards भी हैं, आपको appreciation continuous मिलेगी तो आपको motivation मिलेगा. मतलब initially I used to think यार no, this is not me, I'm not doing good. But then gradually जब आप देखोगे आपकी journey, जब आपको तारीफ मिलेगी तो आप मोटिवेटेड रहोगे. एंड एक एडवाइस ये है कि नेवर गो फॉर कि भाई ये मैंने किया है तो मुझे इसकी वो क्यों नहीं मिल रही, लाइक अप्रिसिएशन क्यों नहीं मिल रहा. आपको नोटिस हो रहे हो, प्लीज़ कीप इन माइंड कि आप नोटिस हो रहे हो, आपको कहीं ना कहीं उसका रिटर्न में मिलेगा ही. तो ये पीस ऑफ एडवाइस जो मैंने अपने मैनेजर से सीखी है कि नेवर गो फॉर अप्रिसिएशन, आपको मिलेगा कहीं ना कहीं उसका फ्रूट मिलेगा, तो जस्ट कीप गोइंग फॉरवर्ड
Keep on
फॉरवर्ड,
doing.
रुक, हाँ कीप ऑन डूइंग इट, मतलब यू विल फेल समटाइम्स, बट जस्ट कीप गोइंग, मतलब यही एक मेरी तरफ से छोटी सी एडवाइस है कि कभी रुको मत।
Correct. It's a very good advice, and I appreciate your advice because it's very common कि सबको कि in this tough times, especially for freshers. So yeah, I want to ask that also. कि what are the situations right now? कि I then we always hear कि layoffs are happening and all. So even the MNCs they have not hired freshers and all. So what is the situation and does it related to HR position से related है ये चीजें या फिर if you want to tell something to our students who are continuously trying to apply in other companies. So if you have advice in the layoff situation, in the recession situation to motivate the students and to apply properly, if you have any thoughts for that.
Talking about the current scenario, it is not good for freshers. Very frankly, very upfront, I'm telling you, not good for freshers as because जो कंपनीज हैं उनके पास मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज के पास अभी प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं हैं, तो फ्रेशर्स को हायर करके दे कैन नॉट जस्ट आई मीन लाइक मतलब उनको भी वो खाली नहीं रख सकते, the word is that only कि वो उनको like they cannot just train them and just keep them sit them idle कि okay, हम आपको ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, आप किसी कंपनी में होने के लिए हो, राइट तो इट इज नॉट गुड फॉर फ्रेशर्स। अभी आप देखेंगे बहुत सी कंपनीज हैं जो कैंपस रिक्रूटमेंट 2024 में जा ही नहीं रही हैं बिकॉज उनके पास प्रोजेक्ट्स ही नहीं है, राइट तो अभी व्हाट द freshers could do is just focus on your technical expertise, जो भी है उसको और strong करो, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि आप अब उस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी में गए, यू गॉट सिलेक्टेड, ठीक है, एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि टाइम अच्छा नहीं होगा, अच्छा भी होगा, मतलब जब थोड़ा सा जो आईटी इंडस्ट्री है वो बूम पे जाएगी ना, तो वो अच्छा भी जाएगा, तो तब स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग, एंड द करेक्ट मंथ इफ आई एम telling you is March and April.
Okay,
Usme
to
you
apply.
will get jobs very easily, very
Next
easily.
year, right?
I mean, yeah, next April.
Oh.
You can, I mean, depends upon how does these 3 to 4 months just goes by, but I mean, good for just applying as a fresher. Okay.
March and April.
Actually, for now, the freshers can just use their time to build a robust professional like network. Okay, on their LinkedIn, just do sessions like these because it helps actually, and it always keeps you motivated. Okay, participate in online communities. Use this time to basically seek mentorship. You can just LinkedIn is just such a place where you just connect and talk to a particular person. So I used to get many requests like, ma'am, I am facing this issue. Being an HR of a company does not mean that I am not a human being, right? So I help people that way also, and even my friend sometimes comes to me that if I'm not just coping up with the outside world, just help me. So seek mentorship for the people who has some experience. It would help you gradually. Okay, your technical skills are valuable assets, so just have a good command over it, and a proactive strategy approach can definitely open doors to opportunities even in challenging times. अगर आप अपना right foot रखोगे तो you will get good opportunities.
समझ आया what you explained, and obviously as Eva told कि March and April is going to be a high time for the recruitment जो अभी हमारी situation रही है. So use your time, what Eva told कि ये सब चीज़ों में अपना time invest कीजिए जिससे आपके hiring chances बढ़ जाए, है ना? Okay, so I guess my questions are completed. We have few questions in our comment section, so I will यहाँ पे मैं दिखाऊंगी तो आप प्लीज उसका आंसर दें. There is so much buzz around tech. If someone wants to shift to a non-tech background, being an engineer, what would be your suggestion? Sanskar has this question.
Okay. So there's so much buzz around tech if someone wants to shift from a non-tech background being an engineer. So I think Sanskar, I mean, you can always go to a non-tech background and like if you are also, one more advice would be, if you are feeling that नहीं यार टेक में नहीं हो पा रहा है, there are multiple opportunities जो आपको नॉन टेक बैकग्राउंड में भी एक्सेल करने में मिल जाएगी. Go into marketing domain. I mean that is one profile जो आप अभी बूम पर है. I mean अगर आप एक पर्टिकुलर टेक बंदे की एंड नॉन टेक बंदे की हु हैज सम एक्सपीरियंस देखेंगे मार्केटिंग प्रोफाइल में, दे आर ऑल्सो अर्निंग अ गुड अमाउंट. अगर आपका एक पर्सपेक्टिव अमाउंट भी है, आई मीन योर पे स्केल भी है, तो येस यू कैन शिफ्ट फ्रॉम अ टेक टू अ नॉन टेक बैकग्राउंड. आई हैव डन इट एंड पीपल आर डूइंग इट. I have seen many people doing like from a tech to a non-tech background, and it's no harm. I mean, until and unless you are happy and you are motivated in whatever you are doing, it's just no harm in changing your profile from a tech to a non-tech program.
Okay. If I have one more question out of this question what Sanskar asked, कि अगर you are shifting from a tech to a non-tech background, तो package पर असर पड़ता है क्योंकि as a software developer you earn a lot, ना? But in a non-tech background, what are the positions and ऐसी कौन सी job profiles होंगी जिसमें अगर आप shift भी कर दोगे, it will not affect your package or it will give you a boost बड़ा package, if you have
See,
any.
सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर से ज़्यादा nobody earns. तो थोड़ा सा आपको पैकेज में, बट अगर आपको मेंटल पीस चाहिए तो थोड़ा पैकेज में मतलब देखना ही पड़ेगा. But talking about the different job options, you could go for HR for sure. You could go for marketing. You could go for sales if you have a good, if you want to connect with more people, roam around the cities as well. Because sales is one position wherein you can, I mean, go to different cities and work. Because you should have a good communication skills in that as well. But आपको आपकी एक प्रोडक्ट को सेल करना, एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि वो जो छोटी जॉब कहलाते हैं सेल्स वाले. सेल्स इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सपेक्टिव इनटू एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिकॉज दे ब्रिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स, राइट? तो सेल्स को छोटा जॉब मत समझना. यू कैन गो इनटू सेल्स एज वेल. एंड इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ नॉन टेक प्रोफाइल, यू कैन गो फॉर अ क्वालिटी एनालिस्ट. They earn less, but you still be counted as a tech background.
Okay. Is business analyst related to this non-tech field or is it a technical one?
No, it is a non-tech field only.
Business analyst.
Business analyst, yeah. So they bring basically business to your companies. So how does it, I can
Eva, आपका शायद नेटवर्क वीक है.
Yeah.
हाँ, अब now it's okay.
Sorry. Okay. So you
were
can
telling about
business analyst. So basically I can explain more what a business analyst do.
Briefly you can explain.
Okay. So business analyst का क्या job role होता है? When a management or a sales person gives कि भाई हमें ये पर्टिकुलर क्लाइंट से आपको कनेक्ट करना है, वहाँ से आपको समझना है कि भाई क्या वो लेके, क्या वो रखते हैं अपने, मतलब उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या है. तो बेसिकली बिजनेस एनालिस्ट जाकर रिक्वायरमेंट समझता है, कम्स बैक टू देयर हेड्स और जो भी वहाँ पे रहते हैं, जो उनको लीड कर रहे हैं टीम को, एंड दैट पर्सन और द बिजनेस एनालिस्ट जस्ट टेल्स द डेवलपर कि भाई हु वुड बी द राइट फिट फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर रोल. मतलब बिजनेस एनालिस्ट ऑल्सो वर्क्स ऑन योर रेज्यूमे इफ यू आर अ डेवलपर. उनका रेज्यूमे कैसे स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है, हाउ शुड दे बी सेंट टू डिफरेंट क्लाइंट्स. तो बिजनेस एनालिस्ट बेसिकली ये करते हैं. बहुत और भी होते हैं, उनको डेक्स प्रिपेयर करने पड़ते हैं क्लाइंट्स के लिए एंड फॉर डिफरेंट डेवलपर्स, सबके लिए उनको डिफरेंट डेक्स प्रिपेयर करने पड़ते हैं. देन बेसिकली दे विल वर्क. ऐसा रहता है.
Okay, got the point. I guess I went off topic, but it's knowledge. Everybody.
Yeah. Like person, if he wants to go to a.
Eva, I guess Eva का network थोड़ा सा slow है. She'll be right back. Yeah, she's here.
Yeah. So if you want to go to a business analyst profile, it is in boom right now. Business analyst as well as data analyst.
Okay. So moving forward to our another question. Sanskar, I have one more question. And by the way, just networking LinkedIn pay is enough? He's asking like networking is enough in LinkedIn?
No, as मैंने जैसे पहले बताया, not only networking, you have to be on like एक्टिव ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर लाइक लिंक्डइन पे आपको एक्टिव रहना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि बहुत सी चीज़ें होती हैं लिंक्डइन पे वेर यू विच यू एक्चुअली लर्न कि भाई अच्छा ओके दिस इज देयर न्यू इन द इंडस्ट्री, ओके ओ एंड नाउ तो लिंक्डइन हैज स्टार्टेड many things, like they actually tell you what is going in the IT industry on the very first glance of your LinkedIn. मतलब right hand side पे when you see there the most updates, recent updates are mentioned. So where to go, why to go, just go to different platforms where everything is there on one platform. So yeah, not only networking but being active on that particular job profile is needed.
I guess संस्कार के doubt clear हो रहे होंगे. He has one more question, and how to answer what make you to choose this particular organization as a fresher if someone applied through off campus. So yeah.
Okay, so coming back to the same point, because you have gone through, just do not apply in each and every company because you're not getting a job, right? Just look for the company, if they are matching your the capabilities, then only just go for that company. ये नहीं कि अच्छा okay I'm not getting, just apply to this organization because it is hiring, right? क्योंकि अगर वो match ही नहीं करेंगे, if you will waste your time. अगर क्या पता उस टाइम पे कोई ऐसी कंपनी हायर कर रही हो वेयर एंड यू just would have excelled and got selected, जहाँ पे every of your capabilities is matching, right? तो but वहाँ पे कोई क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछता नहीं है. आई मीन आई एम नॉट श्योर ये क्वेश्चन कहाँ से आया कि आपने ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्यों चूज करी. एंड इफ दे आस्क यू ऑल्सो, so simple answer that when I had gone to the company's website or portfolio, they were matching my capabilities, and I thought that when I would join this organization, I would have just given my best and excel into my domain. तो यार simple answer, मतलब ऐसा कोई पूछता नहीं है for sure.
So I guess संस्कार के okay, you were saying something. I'm sorry.
Yeah, like no, it's like companies, MNCs जो हैं, they might ask you कि भाई आपने MNCs like Nagaro, which is there, टाटा विच इज दैट, टाटा कंपनीज जो भी हैं, जितनी भी हैं, वो आई थिंक आपसे पूछ सकती हैं. तो उसका मेन तो सब लोग यही जवाब देते बिकॉज यू आर एन MNC. I mean, everybody gives this answer only. So, yeah.
Okay. I guess संस्कार के questions clear हुए होंगे what he was asking, and he was trying to gain some insights from you. We have one more question from Pushp. HR still plays a significant role in selecting resumes directly, or the applicant tracking system ATS filter out resumes and then HR proceeds with the filtered ones? It's a good question. Everybody wants to know that.
Both the things basically depends upon how the company is, how the organization is. If they are going for an ATS system, it becomes very easy because they just need to schedule their technical round of interviews. And if they are like manually selecting the resume, both of the things are done. Particularly if I talk about myself or my organization, or the organization I have given interviews in, no company does this, that I mean, there must be companies like MNCs does this, that they have an ATS like ATS, and but particularly small organization do not go for this. And if you are going for a company which is a startup, so manually only things are done. I mean, does not depend. I mean, if your skills are mentioned correctly, your even the manual or the ATS would just pick your resume.
So how does it work, ATS one? Like, does it only see the skills? How does it scan the profile? Basically,
So
students don't know these things.
Yeah. So particularly what happens is, if you are a fresher, your soft skills matter here. If you have mentioned good communication skills, good public speaking, good leadership skills, few more soft skills which are needed. Also, the languages. If a particular company is hiring for a fresher into a Python developing role, right? So they would basically just type in the ATS, okay, Python, good communication skills, 2 or 3 more skills which are there, and just press okay, and then all the resume which have these skills just are there. So it becomes easy for them to just like schedule their next round of interview.
So other resumes over there, they will be rejected.
Yeah, and they would actually get a message or something which they have just drafted by themselves that yeah, you're I think they people must be getting also that LinkedIn pe the message which is there कि आपका skills were not matching the current role and we have just have it in our database. So this is how a particular ATS works.
Okay. Okay, I have one more question. I'm so curious to know कि sometimes what happens कि if students they have not been selected, but usually from few of the HRs it comes like कि आपका प्रोफाइल select नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन we will keep it in consideration या फिर mail मिलता है ऐसा. So you guys really keep it under consideration if you are going for another hiring opportunity, कुछ आप उसी रोल के लिए वापस हायर कर रहे हो, तो do you consider those profile first जो आपने लास्ट में बोला था कि भाई हम कंसीडर करेंगे? Does
Yes,
it really
it
happen?
is. Yeah, this does happens. So sometimes what happens is you're hiring for a particular role which has like the years of experience mentioned as or 0 to 2 or just 2 to 5, and a person, because when you are looking for a change, no, you do not see what the particular range of experience is. Whatever it is, there's okay, Python developer, yes, I'm a Python developer. It is asking for Django, yes, I can do that. If you like they're asking to move to Jaipur, yes, I can do it. It does not see that what is the years of experience mentioned. They just apply, and mostly freshers do it. So being a fresher, even I used to do it because yeah, who does not needs a job, right? So even I used to do it, and then you get a message that your resume is not selected, and we would just get back to you once the job opening is resumed. So yes, we do keep the resumes handy in one place,
Short
and
list.
if yeah, so sometimes it happens that we need particularly few resumes which are there in our database, and we just put the filter and just take out those resumes. It helps, it actually helps. Yeah.
Because most of the cases what happens कि students जब apply करते हैं and the mail from they get back from HRs and the company, so there is a hope, that hope should be there or not. That's why I was asking you कि ऐसा hope रखना भी चाहिए कि
Oh, no,
like okay
you should actually, you should. There are, I have seen cases wherein in the first round of interview which was conducted, the person, I mean, not the first round, it was the final round, the person got selected. Okay. Then there were few reasons due to package or something, or due to some other companies offer, he did not join a company. Few months back, because I personally, whenever I talk to a candidate who has cleared a first round, or just I have just started talking to the candidate now, I personally build a connection. Like I try to get all the information, and if I from glance, because 2 years I'm working into this industry, from a glance I can just tell कि ये resume pass कर जाएगा नहीं कर जाएगा, second round में जाएगा नहीं जाएगा, right? तो मतलब, and few months back he connected with me again that hi Eva, actually if you remember me that I got selected in so and so round, and again I'm looking for a change because that company is what was not what I was looking for. Then again I just connected with him, and अगले दिन ही interview कराया, and then he got selected, and he's in the company right now. तो it does matter. जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था कि सिर्फ नेटवर्किंग करने से कुछ नहीं होगा, आपको एक्टिव भी रहना पड़ता है. उसने द पर्सन सॉ कि भाई we are still looking for that change, that particular job role. He applied, he connected with me, and he got selected.
Okay, so it does matter.
Yeah, it does matter.
Okay. The one last thing. Previously you told about LinkedIn, right? कि तो ये freshers के लिए entry level जो लोग होते हैं उनके लिए भी is it easy to apply through LinkedIn? Because nowadays what we see when we go to entry level वाला filter करते हैं हम लोग, तो उसमें क्या होता है ना 5+ year experience, 2+ year experience, they
Because
showed
the
up in the
market
past.
because the market is not good for freshers right now. That's why.
That's why. Okay,
Yeah.
I just want to clear that question because most of the people think like यार इसको करने से कुछ होता ही नहीं है. But I guess you told LinkedIn is a good way to connect through
Very
networking, so people should apply. Okay. So from my end and from the comment section, questions are clear. So if you want to give any other suggestion to our students who are now going to be freshers or still in the fresher zone, that one advice which will keep them motivated, although you gave, but extra if you want to add.
Okay. My personal mantra which I follow is never stop trying. If you fail, just get up, try again. There would be one time or one place where you would just have the results in your hand. You would excel at some point of time, and if even if you're getting multiple failures, then you should think that that is particular thing which if I'm not excelling in it, if I need to work on myself or I need to shift to another thing, right? So दोनों ही चीज you need to keep in mind, but just not stop. मतलब कि यार नहीं हो रहा है तो बैठ गए. Because पहले I used to be this person, but when I came into the IT industry, I got it that if you stop trying, the world will stop for you. Because वहाँ पे the strategies बहुत मतलब ऐसे चेंज होती हैं. मतलब इन अ ग्लैंस you'll see, okay, अच्छा हम कल ये strategy अपना रहे थे, no, it's changed now. So just never stop trying. Okay. Secondly, just focus on building a diverse skill. I mean, keep learning. Okay. Like remain adaptable. Please remain adaptable, because आप different companies में जाते हैं, आपको थोड़ा time लगता है, but please keep yourself adaptable. Okay. And learning का तो हमने बताया है. Networking and staying connected with the industry. Basically, trends are very crucial during challenging times which are going right now. So as soon just keep an eye on the IT industry. As soon as you see that acha freshers ke liye it is good now, just start applying. Jaise you do that, you will automatically just overcome all the challenges. Importantly, like just recognize in what field do you want to go in. I mean, being technical, not technical, just do not think. I mean, क्या होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, you won't like it, you won't fit in the industry, there are multiple options for you. Being an engineer, you have multiple options for yourself. So just don't stop it that okay अच्छा मैंने क्वालिटी एनालिस्ट में आ गई, बट ठीक है मेरे साथ में तो मैं कोई टेस्टिंग कर ही नहीं पा रही हूँ वहाँ पे, मेरे सारे कोड्स फट ही रहे हैं. तो ऐसे नहीं, जस्ट ट्राई. नहीं होता है, देयर आर मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस फॉर यू. मतलब बीइंग एन इंजीनियर तो आपके पास इतने सारे ऑप्शंस रहेंगे ना, आप जा सकते हो उसके अंदर. सो बेसिकली इट्स जस्ट बीइंग अबाउट बीइंग द एंकर फॉर एवरीवन कि भाई in the organization, and just navigating challenges that may or may not always be directly related to your particular job. ठीक है. I mean, किसी चीज पे एक्सेल कर लो एंड आई एम श्योर कि आप मतलब you will shine in that particular thing. And nahi to you have many options. Just don't stop trying.
Don't stop trying. Okay, I guess everybody would have listened to her what she was giving the advice in this tough situation. So Eva, actually I couldn't display one more comment is there from Ayush Mathur. Is Ayush related to you?
Yeah, he's my batchmate.
I didn't know. Previously we have this Q&A series with Ayush, and now we have with you. I didn't know that. Okay, so he has question that Eva, it's a great session. My question to you is, what are the most common resume formatting errors encountered during hiring process? Common resume formatting errors encountered during hiring process.
So I think I know why Ayush is asking this question. And even it is for everybody, for being freshers as well. I mean, बहुत सारे आपको ना मिल जाएंगे बाहर जो resumes वाले. I think there are many AI platforms right now which are there in the market कि अच्छा आप ऐसे resume बनाओ, ऐसे resume बनाओ.
Correct.
But I mean multiple, but you should fix on one. And formatting errors it is कि ना आप अपना जो रेज्यूमे है उसको प्लीज 3 से 4 पेज का मत करो. मतलब बहुत ज्यादा ओवर एक्सप्लेन मत करो. एंड ऐसा भी नहीं कि बिल्कुल भी एक्सप्लेन मत करो, बिकॉज जब आप एक टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हो, जो पर्टिकुलर आपका इंटरव्यू लेने वाला है बंदा, वो देखता है कि अच्छा ओके हम लोग पाइथन डेवलपर हायर कर रहे हैं एंड अच्छा उसने जैंगो पे काम किया है, ओके वी आर गुड टू गो. अच्छा ओके ही हैज वर्कड ऑन सो एंड फ्रेमवर्क. अच्छा ओके. अब अगर आपने बिल्कुल भी एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया होगा तो हाउ वुड ही नो, हाउ वुड ही आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू दैट प्रोजेक्ट. एंड अगर आपने ओवर एक्सप्लेन किया होगा तो वो आपसे पूछे भी नहीं. देयर आर हाईली चांसेस, डिपेंड ऑन द मतलब जो भी बंदा है उस पे. तो फॉर्मेटिंग एरर्स में ये हो सकता है कि आपने जो पर्टिकुलर योर प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं उसको ना बहुत ही मतलब नीचे लिख दिया हो. ये भी मत करा करो, और ये भी नहीं कि सबसे ऊपर आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स आ जाए. Objective, your just academics, and then your project should be mentioned. One of the major formatting errors which are there in most of the resumes. Do not over मतलब 3-4 पेज का मत बनाओ. Images मतलब ऐड मत करो. It used to be very good in the previous days, but अभी
No.
images मत करो. There are many more. Ayush, I'll connect with you for this.
Okay, I guess बाकी सबको भी एक glimpse मिल गया होगा the question which I asked from you. So it has been very good session with you, and it's a very different. It was a very different session with you. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Eva, for connecting and sharing your experiences as a HR with our students. That you don't have to be in IT only. You can switch. And also you told us regarding कि क्या क्या चीजें आपको दिमाग में रखनी चाहिए resume से लेके profile shortlisting जैसे होती है, and what are the points which you should. Eva, are you still there?
Yeah,
Okay.
so sorry, I'm getting a call. That's why.
Okay, and I will correct. I will make it soon. So okay, thank you
Your
so
voice
much.
is not there.
Hi, Eva. Am I audible now?
No.
Now am I audible?
No. Let me.
Okay. So guys, it was a very wonderful
Yeah.
session.
Yes. Again. Yeah.
Yeah, I was just telling you ki thank you so much, Eva, and getting this much time to connect with us and sharing the experiences and scenarios which is happening in the current situation, recession situations with our students, specifically your juniors. They needed this. And yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you so much, Eva, for connecting today. Of course, I will conduct more and more session with you if we get a chance.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
I mean, thank you so much for having me, Yashi. I mean, I wanted to have a platform wherein I could share my thoughts, and anybody who wants any advice at any time. I mean, not only advice, just wants to connect. Just you can always. I think you have my LinkedIn ID. Just connect
Yes.
with me in any scenario. If I could be a help to anybody, I would always be there. And yeah, just do not. अभी ठीक है, अच्छा नहीं है मार्केट, बट नहीं
Eva,
हाँ
is it?
ओके. तो होगा, सही होगा मार्केट भी. एंड उस टाइम अच्छे से अप्लाई करके यू कुड एक्सेल. बाकी थैंक यू सो मच यशी फॉर हैविंग मी, एंड आई होप वी जस्ट स्टे कनेक्टेड फॉर फ्यूचर एज वेल.
Of course, we will, and we will obviously invite you in more and more such sessions where our student personally will have questions from you. And yeah, if you guys have any question, if you are not able to ask in this session, you can obviously drop in our comment section. Oh, sorry, community section. Community जो हमने बनाई है. So I will redirect those questions to Eva, and she can answer them.
Yeah,
Okay.
anytime. I am available for everybody.
Thank you, Eva, for taking
Thank you
time.
so much. Thank you so much, Yashi. Thank you so much for your time.
Bye, Eva.
Bye. Thank you.
So yeah, guys, it was a very insightful session कि आज इस टाइम पे इस टाइम चल रहा है जो it's very difficult for everybody, but yeah, keep on doing, be motivated, and 2024 is going to be a very boost for IT sector, and don't lose hope. Keep on increasing your skills. So if you guys have any questions, again I will tell you to ask and drop in our communities which we have created. We will answer each and every question, and if you have any feedback, please drop. So thank you so much for joining today's session. We will come up with more and more Q&A series with our alumni and with new ideas and insightful things. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone.